Good afternoon, welcome to MarineMax Miami. My name is Luke Gonzalez. Today we are going to do a walkthrough of the 2023 Cruisers Yachts 34 GLS. So this boat is powered by the twin Mercury 300 horsepower V8s. It's also equipped with the joystick piloting, so makes driving the boat, docking the boat very easy. So moving forward, you have this big area to sit with a reversible backrest, so you can face aft while you're running or face forward and converse with everybody with this dining table here. On this side you have your cockpit grill, electric grill by Kenyon, as well as refrigerator over here, freshwater sink, and your own trash storage. Moving forward, under here you have all of your all of your access to all of your batteries, bilges, generator, AC pumps, basically everything you need, so everything's in one convenient space. You'll notice a ton of seating, wraparound seating. You could fit 6 to 8 people very comfortably right in this area. Moving forward to the helm station, what's nice about this boat is you have everything kind of in in one area, so you have all of your redundant switching for all of your bilge pumps, accessories, your battery parallels, windlass, all of your lighting. And then you have your twin Simrad units that control everything on the boat as well. You also have VHF, your Bluetooth stereo, and then over here you got your new Mercury throttles and joystick piloting. And then down in the cabin, spacious cabin here. You could sleep 2 right here. This also has an option to do a table as well, so you can have a snack, eat lunch, eat dinner in here. Refrigerator. Then you have a queen-size berth back here that you can spend the night in. And then down here is where all of your main breaker panels are for all your switching. And then to the bow area, again, just a ton of seating. That's what makes this 34 GLS so special. Is you could really fit a lot of people compared to bigger boats. It really focuses on the comfortable seating arrangement that it has. Up here, again, you have storage underneath all these seats, dedicated cooler. You can do a sun pad configuration up here, or you could do a bow table. And then up here on the bow, you have your windlass controls that you have either the foot pedals up here, or you can control it from the helm. So if you have any other questions, feel free to call us at MarineMax Miami, or you can call me, Luke. My number is 954-205-5744. Thank you.